Good evening, everyone. Actually, good morning, everyone. It's about 12:30, and I've been, well, bottom line is I made a little building supplies, renovation supplies run, and Eileen and I went and picked up a bunch of stuff, and should be basically our last purchase of building materials for the house. I still have some for the others, but coming to you from the workshop tonight, this morning, whatever, and probably something I've not done before, but thought I'd just show you one of the little victories. I've decided that I'm too old for this, but this is what I hauled in. So I guess not too shabby for an old man. So I hauled in 4 50-pound bags of thin set, 9 sheets of hardy board, that's 14 sheets of plywood, and 4 sheets of drywall. So hefting some weight. And it's kind of our last big run as far as materials are concerned, and so pretty excited about that. And the fact that we're closing in on at least having to make more purchases and spend more money, and now it's just more time spent and not any more money. So anyway, taking some happiness and pride in the little victories, and tonight's one of them, although I'm sure I'm going to feel it tonight after lifting all that weight and hauling it in from the truck, but it's all good. And on to finishing other projects.